Hello everyone. Welcome to Scholar Labs, a unique virtual platform that brings science experiments to life through immersive 3D augmented reality and engaging content. Our simulations ignite curiosity and enhance classroom experiences crafted by expert teachers and accessible on all devices without special equipment. Today, I will be taking you through the simulation Preservation and Storage under Microorganisms Part 3. This simulation allows you to understand the various storage and preservation techniques used to preserve different types of food items. Before you begin, look for the I button on the screen for the objectives of the simulation. These buttons on the left side of the screen allow you to view the experiment from different angles. You can also have a 360-degree view of the lab by left clicking the mouse and dragging it. By using this zoom slider on the bottom left corner of the screen, you can zoom in and zoom out. To restart the simulation, click on this replay button on the left side of the screen. So let's get started. The process of treating and handling food with an aim to stop or slow down its spoilage while maintaining its nutritional value, texture, and flavor is referred to as food preservation. The main cause of spoilage of food products is microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. Wherever these organisms get proper conditions of food, moisture, and temperature, they start growing. Spoiled food emits bad smell and has a bad taste and changed color. Click on the preservation method to visualize some of the common methods of preserving food used in our homes in order to increase their shelf life. So, shelf life is basically the length of time a product may be stored such that it remains suitable for use or consumption. Click on chemical methods to see what all chemicals are generally used to check the growth of microorganisms. Chemicals like sodium metabisulfite and sodium benzoate are used to prevent the attack of microbes. Click on either of the two preservatives to sprinkle it on the salad plate. This method is employed in the preservation of fruit juices, jams, fruits, vegetables, etc. Let's move on to the next method. Common salt has been used to preserve meat and fish for ages. Click on the salt shaker to sprinkle salt over the fish. Meat and fish are covered with dry salt to check the growth of bacteria. Now, click here to carry the fish tray to the fridge. Open the fridge by clicking on it and put the fish tray into the fridge. Let's move on to the next method. Jams, jellies, and squashes are preserved by sugar. Sugar reduces the moisture content which inhibits the growth of bacteria. Let's prepare some strawberry jam with just few clicks. Click on this bowl to pour the strawberries into the pan. Now add sugar to the pan. Turn on the induction cooker by clicking on this button. Click on the spatula to stir the mixture while heating. Wow, strawberry jam is ready. Now turn off the induction cooker. Click on the pan to take it off the induction cooker and let it cool down. Strawberry jam is now cool enough to be poured into the jar for storage. Click on this jar to do so. Now let's see how oil and vinegar can be used to prevent spoilage of pickle. Click on the oil bottle to pour some into the pickle jar. Repeat this step with vinegar as well. Vegetables, fruits, fish and meat are often preserved by this method because bacteria cannot live in such an environment. You must have observed your mother boiling milk before storing or using it. Boiling kills many organisms. Similarly, we keep our food in the refrigerator as low temperature also inhibits the growth of microbes. Click here to pour the milk into the pan. Turn on the induction cooker and let the milk boil. Turn it off. Take the pan off the cooker and let it cool for some time. Pour it in the jar and then place it in the fridge. This method of pasteurization was developed by Louis Pasteur. It is used to store milk and liquid food products. In this method, milk is heated to about 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. By doing so, it prevents the growth of microbes. Nowadays, milk that comes in packets is pasteurized and can be consumed without boiling as it is free from harmful microbes. Now let's see how food items are packed and stored. Packaged foods contain nitrogen, preservatives, etc. to prevent spoilage. Some food items like meat, mushroom, etc. are packed by removing air before sealing it. This prevents bacterial growth and extends shelf life. To prevent spoilage and contamination, some food items are stored in safe, airtight containers to prevent the attack of microbes. Thanks for watching.